are getting hotter. The bassline's firing up. Bitches on heat.